That's right. In this video, I'm going to expose to you exactly how I recruited 327 people in one of my primary businesses. The true blueprint that I used that you can also deploy whether you're in network marketing, affiliate marketing, and you want more people to join you. So stay tuned. Hey my friend, welcome back. Now on this channel, I teach entrepreneurs how to get more leads and sales using social media. So if you want more videos like that, if you don't want to miss out, click the subscribe button down below right now, and then click that little bell notification so you're always notified of videos just like this. So how did I recruit so many people? Now, mind you, I did this all without chasing anybody, doing a single home meeting, or even picking up the phone. All of these sales were done totally on autopilot. So how did I do this? Well, the first thing I started understanding very early on when I started to automate this was that you have to understand, who do people actually join in a network marketing or affiliate marketing company, right? Who do people actually join? And when you start to understand that, the psychology of that, then you can position yourself as that type of person, and those people will join you. So what I want to do real quick is take you through a scenario and just play along real quick, and you're gonna see exactly what I mean so I can hammer home this point even further. So imagine for a second that you're looking to join a business, okay? You wanna join maybe an opportunity to make more income or to live a better life, and you start kind of looking for that information. Now let's say there's two people that approach you. One person is, let's say, coming off as a confident. One person is coming off as a leader. One person is coming off successful, going places. And then someone else approaches them and they maybe are unsure. They seem like, they just got started. They're kind of looking like they're not someone that knows what they're doing or is confident in themselves. Which of those two people would you rather join? Chances are you'd probably join the person that looks like they're going somewhere, that knows what they're doing. Well, here's the great thing, okay, because that is true. People join people that look like they're going somewhere, that look like they're leaders. You may be saying, okay, Garrett, this is awesome, but I'm not a leader. Like, I haven't achieved much in this business. Like, how do I actually start getting success? And that, my friend, is the beauty of the next thing that I did. So I started hopping online and I started marketing myself online. Some people, they want to pass out flyers, they want to hit the pavement, they want to go door to door to try to promote their business. But what you have to realize is, especially if you want to work about an hour a day and have these commissions flowing in totally on autopilot, is you need to do online marketing, okay? People are heading online, people are constantly looking for answers. Even if you approach them with a flyer, tend to go online and actually research, right? Branding yourself online as a leader is a lot easier than branding yourself offline for obvious reasons, right? So when you start branding yourself as a leader, now how do you do that? What was the next thing I did to start to attract people and literally recruit 327 people in one of my primary businesses? Well, the next thing I started doing was sharing value, okay? I started sharing valuable information, valuable tips and strategies with people, and they started to look at me as a leader, because if you think about it, the person that teaches is the authority, right? And people want to join an authority in the business. So if you just start teaching, right? So that's what I started doing. I started sharing tips on social media. I started posting, I started sharing videos on YouTube that would attract people, amazing, wonderful people that would click the link below in the description. They would go to the sign up form, they would buy my incredibly valuable products, and they would start to see massive results. And I was able to help all those people completely on autopilot, or at least, in an hour or so a day on social media, okay? So that was the next thing that I did. Now, how did I start recruiting them on autopilot is what you may be wondering, right? So now we're starting to, generate leads, because every time I would post information, every time I would share value, I would start to get more of a following. More people would seek me out. More people would watch my videos, feel a strong urge to join me, and then get started at the link below. And they'll do that for you. As you start posting on social media, as you start, learning the right strategies and sharing content, you will start to attract people to you, okay? This is one of the next steps that I personally took. Now, how did I start signing them up, right? You may have heard the popular and true statement that the fortune is in the follow-up, okay? Most people will not decide to join instantly. Whether you do it offline or online, you need to follow up. Now, how did I automate this process? How did I automate the follow-up so I could wake up to commissions depositing in my bank account while I was sleeping. Well, that used something called email marketing. Okay, a lot of people don't know how to do email marketing, and in fact, I actually just recorded a video on this very channel, and I'll have a card pop up in the top so you can go ahead and watch that. But on that video, I walk you through exactly how to start email marketing, my full video training on how to do it, how to build a funnel, and how to literally wake up to commissions while you are sleeping, okay? Truly powerful. And that's what I started doing. I started doing email marketing. So rather than, on social media, sending people directly to my company website, I would send them to something called a capture page. This is a page that captures the prospect's information, and then I can follow up through on autopilot through email marketing. And that's what I started doing, my friend. And again, in that training, you'll see exactly how to set up a capture page, what tools and softwares I use. Very, very powerful. So I hope you enjoyed learning how I recruited 327 people in one of my primary businesses. I've never before shared that information in a video before, and I'm gonna be sharing more tips and strategies on exactly how I did it as you continue to subscribe to this channel. Now, you may be wondering that social media is large. There's a lot of different sites with Facebook and Instagram. How exactly do you now turn those posting valuable things into leads for your business? Well, be sure to grab my free training audio down below, 17 ways to get leads today. It's an entire audio revealing 17 different proven and effective ways that you can start generating floods of leads as soon as today. So thank you so much for watching this video, my friend. If you liked it, be sure to click the like button below, share it with your business partners, and be sure to subscribe. Last but not least, comment below, what do you want me to teach you next? I'm constantly sharing insider strategies to take you to that next level, and I can't wait to help you, my friend. So thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.